as a business owner or a company, we're actually running to that time of the year where people are actually looking to increase sales. And if you are part of those people who are actually looking at November, December as a time where we have a lot of opportunity to get sales, we have a lot of opportunity to reach more people, because why? There's a lot of money to spend around this period. There's festive period coming. I want to show you a specific way you can actually increase your sales and you can actually get more results for your business and brand like you've never had before. So we're at that time where people have a lot of money to spend, and we have a lot of sales, we have a lot of period, we have a lot of window now to actually run sales. You have a lot of time to actually get more people to be engaged in what you do. Basically, I want to show you how to run social media ads. When I mean social media ads, I want to show you how to advertise on two specific platforms, basically Instagram and Facebook. I want to show you how to get sales on Instagram and also how to get sales on Facebook using this Facebook advertisement method. So what I'm going to show you exactly is how to run ads for sales specifically. So if you want to run ads this particular period, you should be running sales ads. And these sales ads are specific because you need to actually have a way, you need to know the way, the how to do it. That's what I'm going to show you in this particular video. I'm going to show you how to actually run Facebook ads and how to get specific results. So let's dive right straight into the video. The first thing you need to run Facebook ads is actually a Facebook account. So you need a Facebook account, you need a Facebook page. I'm going to distinguish both of them. I'm going to give you a difference between a Facebook profile and then a Facebook page. So a Facebook profile is basically the account you create on Facebook. For example, for you to have a house, or you need to have a room inside of a house, you need to build a house, you need to be a structure, then inside of that structure there is a room in it. So that's the same way with a page. A page allows you to run Facebook ads. Without a page you can run ads, and without a profile you cannot create a page. So you need to have a profile, and inside of a profile you need to create a page. So if you can see right now I'm on facebook.com. So this particular profile is actually called Bright Azuka. This is a profile, and inside of this profile I have a page that is actually called Azuka Bright Ositadima. So this is Azuka Bright Ositadima is my page. I use this page to be able to run Facebook ads, but this is the profile that this page is inside. So inside of the profile there's a page. So that's the same way. The essence of creating a page is to be able to run Facebook ads. So we need a profile, we need a page, and then we need to be able to create an ad account and a business manager. But to make this video very short, I'm not going to show you the specific way to run Facebook ads for sales. So I'm actually at the Facebook Ads Manager. So if you don't know what Facebook Ads Manager is the way we run ads, is the way it's a platform owned by Facebook specifically to run ads. I mean, if you are someone who uses Facebook a lot and you have a page, you already make a post rather, and Facebook is telling you to promote it, Facebook is telling you to boost it basically. What they're trying to do for you, basically, most of the time when you boost, you actually get engagement, likes and comments. You don't really have much result. But if you want to run advertisement on Facebook, Facebook has a profile, a place called the Facebook Ads Manager. If you have facebook.com on your laptop, you're going to see here Ads Manager. That means the advertisement manager, where you manage ads on Facebook. And if you don't know what an ad is, this is how an ad looks like. This is a Google ad. This is an ad from Google Ads, from Google themselves. If you see here, it's sponsored. You see sponsored here, it means that this ad is actually being paid for. Google is actually paying for me to actually see this particular post here. This particular post is just a normal post by this fellow here, and this post is, you can see it does not carry sponsored. So I'm on the Facebook Ads Manager. If I come to here and I click on this Ads Manager, it's going to land me on this particular page. So Facebook is actually divided into three. To run ads, you can see here the campaign, the ad set, and the ads. So I'm going to explain what all of these things means. The campaign is where you choose your goal, what you intend to do. And the ad set is where you choose your demography. That's where you are targeting location, age, gender, and the rest. So you do that in ad sets, and then you can do your budget here in your ad set. And then in your ad, you basically put the ad creative, whether your image or video, anything you're actually promoting or advertising, you do it here on the ad. So also, for we to actually run sales ad, we also need to have a location. Why are we driving our sales people from, or why are we driving people from Facebook to? So this is what we call funnel. I'm going to make a video explaining what funnel is all about. But for now, you need to actually know that, okay, I want to take people from Facebook to WhatsApp, I want to take people from Facebook to a website. So you need to have a specific location, a specific place you want to take people to. But just for the aim of this particular video, just to show you what to do exactly when you want to run sales ad, you need to come to the campaign. We need to choose sales as our campaign. You need to click on create. So if you're actually enjoying this video right now, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the subscribe button so that we can see more valuable content like this when I make videos like this. So I'm just going to click on create. You see, this particular place is where I choose my option, my campaign option. I want sales. It's sales I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on sales. So I click on sales. I can give it a name here. I can click on this drop down and give it a name and say a festive sales. And I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue. So create a sales campaign isn't tailored, blah blah blah. So what I want to do, I want to manually choose this thing myself. I'll click on continue. So it's going to load up the next page, and it's going to load up. But let me allow it to load. So it has actually loaded up. You can see if I did not choose my campaign name, I could have actually renamed my campaign here. I'll leave everything as it is. I will not touch anything. One thing also you need to know is that Facebook is an auction-based platform. What I mean by auction-based is that it's a media buying company. So the more media buying the more amount you are willing to spend, the more money you are going to make. So anybody that spends the most money makes spend the most money to acquire customers makes the most money, basically. So you don't expect someone that is spending 100,000 naira to be getting the same result as someone that is spending 500,000 naira. So basically, now I'm on the ad set level. I clicked on next, and I'm now on the ad set level. So I want to. Facebook is asking me, where am I driving people to? Where is my conversion? Remember I said something about sales funnel. So where is my conversion? Do I want to take people to website, app, website app, messaging app, call? Do I want to? I need to have a conversion. So if I'm taking people to website, I need to have what we call a Facebook pixel. So what's the meaning of Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel helps you to be able to track your conversions. Facebook pixel helps you to be able to track people, and when you want to do remarketing, want to do retargeting, you can to retarget them based on the fact they've interacted with you, you have their database. That's actually what the pixel means. If you are taking people to app, you can click here. If you're taking people to website and app, you can click here. If you're taking people to messenger apps, you want to take people to WhatsApp, you can click here on this messaging app. So for this particular video, because I don't have a website I'm taking people to, I'm not going to click on WhatsApp. So I'm going to take people to messaging app. I'm going to click on messaging app. I'm going to ask me to select between Facebook. I'm going to ask me to select between Instagram and Messenger. I'm going to click on check Instagram, check Messenger, and check WhatsApp. So I want to take people to WhatsApp. I will uncheck Instagram. So that is my sales funnel at the moment. I'm taking people from Facebook to WhatsApp. So the next thing I want to do is to go down and allocate my budget. So I'll advise that when you're running ads, when you're testing around between $5, it's fair enough to start your ad campaign. But you can spend more if you have a little more budget to spend. But I'm just going to put 5,000 naira here, and then I can put 5,000 naira here, and use it to start this campaign. If you want to start, if you want to get maybe if you want to start at a particular date, you start here, you click on the start date. If you want to end on a particular date, you can click on the end date. But I just leave it like that. Anytime I want to end my campaign, I just shut it down, basically. So here is where you can control your audience. Before now, we can choose location, people living, and people that do not live in a particular location. But now Facebook removed that particular option. We only have rich people living or residing in this particular location. So I can choose Nigeria. If I want to choose any other country or any other place, I can put here and type the name of the place. If I say Lagos, I can type Lagos and choose whatever I want to choose Lagos State or whatever I want to choose. I can do that here on the location settings. The next thing I want to also do is the advantage audience. I can use it, but most times all the times I run ads, I don't actually use it. I just keep that particular place. Only what I touch here is my location variable, location bound, and I move straight up to the manual placement. I don't allow my placement to run on advantageous placement, or I don't allow Facebook to place it for me. Basically, why do I know that I do that? I don't do that because most of the time people come to Facebook not because they want to buy something, but because they want to entertain themselves. So I have to put that in mind, because anybody I'm going to show my ads to, I want my ad to be disruptive, that makes them to stop, create curiosity, and then make them to take action. So, and the only way I come to get those people is actually probably on feeds, because people are actually either on video feeds or they're on news feeds. Sometimes in marketplace, I do that when I'm promoting an e-commerce course or an e-commerce product. Let's say I'm selling shoe bag and the rest. I somehow leave it in marketplace. Sometimes I go and put my product in marketplace and just promote it to marketplace alone. But I'm going to leave my product for the sake of this video just on video feed and on news feed. Why? Because most of the time video ads are proven to convert more than image ads. So if all of these things you can't do, it's too much for you, can click on the link below. You're going to see a link that's on the link on the description that says work with me. Shoot me an email. I can set up a Facebook ads for you, for your business and brand, and help you get better results and increase your sales this festive period, where you can actually follow the step-by-step process I'm showing you right now and get the same result. So I'm just going to click on so I'm going to put check this Instagram on this network. So another thing you also need to know is that when I'm running ads, I usually run on indigenous platform. What I mean is that if I'm running ads and I can put my ads on Facebook and Instagram, I don't put it on the same budget. Let's say I can put 3K on Facebook and put 3,000 naira on Instagram. So I run them independently. I don't check Instagram and Facebook at the same time here on my ad set level. So I'm just going to uncheck Instagram here and just leave my products or my stuff on just Facebook. For you, if you can actually do the two, it doesn't really matter. But me, I just want to know which one is doing better and compare, and then shut anyone I want to shut down. Basically, like I said, I'm going to leave my stuff on just feed alone, Facebook feed and video feed. Every other thing, I'm going to uncheck it. I'm going to uncheck it. This particular one, I'm also going to uncheck it. So this is the only thing I touch here. I'm also going to show more option. Go down. If I want to target by mobile device and the rest, I don't do all of that. I just leave it like that, and then I click on next. So when I click on next, it's going to take me to my ad itself. So of course I need a page. What I told you before, you need a page. You cannot run ads without a page. You need a page. You can see here that my page is Azuka Bright Ostadima, what I told you before. Remember, I told you that I have a page called Azuka Bright Ostadima, which is here. Azuka Bright Ostadima. This is my page that is inside this account called Bright Azuka. Bright Azuka is this account, but I have a page. So I need a page to run ads. So that's why you can see here that my page is actually showing as Azuka Bright Ostadima. So I'm not running this particular ad on Instagram. I'm also going to click here on, am I using carousel ads or image ad? All of the times I always use image ads, because I already use video ad convert. I'll click on add video, and then if I have any URL or any account I want to drag video from, or any page I can do. If I don't have, I click on upload. I can upload videos from my computer, laptop, and then allow that particular video to show. It's going to show somewhere around there. Let me just show you how it looks like when you add a video. So let me look if I can collect a video from my page and then add it on this particular place. Let's say I want to promote a particular video. I'll click here. Let me use this one and click on next. So I click on done. You can see what's happening here. I click on done. So once I click on done, it's going to load and then show on my screen. So you can see that it is actually showing here. So the next thing is to actually put what we call the primary test. The The primary, what is the primary text? Primary text is the text people see above of your video. So you can see here on Google, this particular word is a rich customer online with Google Ads. This is actually what we call the primary text. If I copy it here and I put it on this particular place, my primary text, I can copy and paste here. You can see this particular primary text is going to appear here. It's appearing above. So this is what we call the primary text. It's basically the text that people is going to introduce, and this in literal term, in advertising word, we actually call it the ad copy. So this headline is what people are going to see here. So this is what we call the headline. This thing here is actually what we call the headline. So you can do any headline, chat with us. You can do any particular headline that you want to actually show here. So you can put that particular headline here. You can describe your video so that Facebook better understand the video and know who to show it to and who not to show it to. And you can send WhatsApp message, or you can customize anyone's using a WhatsApp sales ad. You can send WhatsApp message as a call to action, and then you're actually good to go. You can click on publish. There's something I also miss out telling you is that when you actually want to do targeting, you can do your targeting in the ad set level, where you want to target a specific location, you want to target a specific set of people. You can do that in the ad set level. Let me just show you where you can actually do that. So you can actually come to actually target here in this ad set level. But because we are doing a WhatsApp ad they didn't actually give us ability to actually look for our audience. So we just move. Facebook is going to use the idea to actually schedule audience for us. So this is basically how to run a sales ad on WhatsApp. So if you want to run a sales ad on web, I'm also going to make a video using a website to show you, create a pixel to show you how to actually run ads on web. So if you actually like this video, make sure you subscribe right now. Click on the subscribe button. I'm going to see you in my next video.